जय श्री राम। धर्म एव हतो हन्ति धर्मो रक्षति रक्षितः तस्मात् धर्मो न हन्तव्यो मानो धर्मो हतो वधीत। मरा हुआ धर्म मारने वाले का नाश और रक्षित किया हुआ धर्म रक्षक की रक्षा करता है। इसीलिए धर्म का हनन कभी ना करना, इस डर से कि मरा हुआ धर्म कभी हमको न मार डाले। सो धर्म एव हतो हन्ति धर्मो रक्षति रक्षितः तस्मात् धर्मो न हन्तव्यो मानो धर्मो हतो वधीत। That is, if you protect dharma, dharma will protect you. And if you destroy dharma, if you oppose dharma, you can't destroy dharma anyway. If you oppose dharma or indulge in adharmic activities, then dharma will destroy you. It will annihilate you. Dharma eva hato hanti. So, a very simple rule can be, if you eat and enjoy, observe restraint in matters of food and sex, and even drinking and all that, whatever. Of course, you should not drink. Alcohol is considered tamasic, extremely tamasic. So, it should be. So, but in case if you do not observe restraint, you will die earlier. It's a simple example. In a bigger sense, any activity which is adharmic will recoil boomerang very badly. The problem is many people think that this law doesn't make any sense. This is only a law that applies to physics. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Right? This is actually the most important law that governs our life. This is the law of karma, the law of recompense, the law that governs every action. In fact, it governs every thought, word. In fact, it governs speech, thought and action. So be careful. Be very careful. जो पुरुष धर्म का नाश करता है उसका नाश धर्म कर देता है, और जो धर्म की रक्षा करता है उसकी धर्म भी रक्षा करती है, धर्म भी रक्षा करता है। इसीलिए मरा हुआ धर्म कभी हमको ना मार डाले, इस भय से धर्म का हनन अर्थात त्याग कभी ना करना, धर्म का त्याग। जय श्री राम।